Welcome to Talkcast. So in today's video, I'll tell you the entire process of appearing for a driving test, getting a learner's license as well as getting a permanent license. So stick around for the next couple of minutes for this informative video. So let's start. So if you know me and you follow me, I currently stay in Hyderabad and here only I got my driving license, and I took help from my driving school for this entire process since it was very new. So the first step of getting a learning license is to register online. So let me show you how to register online.
So you have to go to this site, which is sarthi.parivahan.gov.in. So keep one thing in mind, this site is for majority of the states in India, but there are some states which are not covered, like Telangana is not covered. However, even if you have a state which is not mentioned in the list here, there will be a very similar process for it. Okay, so for here example, let's go to Delhi, and here let's just close this. If you see, the first option is apply for a learner's license. I go here and it's showing me that fill the application details, do the fee payment, verify the pay status, print the receipt, upload documents, upload photo and signature, and then you will get a learning license slot. So if I continue here, so there are certain things, instructions which are put up here, like are you a diplomat, foreigner, repatriate, refugees, foreigners, ex-servicemen, physically challenged, then please select the category. So if you are in either of these, then you need to select the category. If not, just let it be like that. Then here it is, applicant does not hold driving or learner license. So this means that you do not have it and you are applying it for the first times. Or if you are in either of them, then you can select these options. Now just let's click on submit here. You don't need to fill anything here. Yeah, here you'll have to give your mobile number. Once you give the mobile number, you'll have to click on the generate OTP, and then it says OTP sent to mobile number this, and I've got a pin on my mobile number, so I'll just key in the pin here, and here you have to click on authenticate with Sarthi. Once you authenticate, you'll have to select the state here, select the RTO office. I think for RTO you'll have to put a pin. Let's put some default Delhi pin here. So here I have put it showing IP state. Now this is a very generic application, just put in your name, right? You'll have to put a father's name or mother's name here, full name as per record. You need to select your gender, qualification, phone number, identification mark is mandatory, which was there in Hyderabad as well. I had to put an identification mark like mole on the right eye. Then you have to present address and permanent address. Ensure that you put it right, because this is the same address on which your permanent driving license will get home delivered. So here it is, and here you have to select LMV, which is light motor vehicle. The others are like motorcycle without gear, motorcycle is not applicable. It's just light motor vehicle, and you'll have to click on this one. Here it's like I have been convicted, disqualified. If you have been disqualified or suspended previously, you'll have to tick yes here. Is the applicant trained from driving school? You'll have to click yes here. So if you remember my previous video, this is where I was telling you to get registered from a government school. This helps. So now after you are done, you'll have to click a submit, and then you'll have to follow all the other steps of making the payment, getting a payment receipt, taking the printout of the payment receipt, and all that sort of stuff.
So once you register online, you will get a slot for a day and a time where you have to be present in the RTO with your proofs as in your identity proofs and your address proof, which you have mentioned in the site while registering yourself. Now there you'll have to appear for an online test, which is usually of 30 minutes, and you'll get some 20 questions, and the questions are something like this. Now if you get 12 right out of the 20 questions, then you have passed the exam. And once you pass, immediately what they will do is they'll give you a learning license, and learning license comes something like this in a piece of paper. So So this paper has your picture, this paper has your name, your address details, as well as your phone number, a stamp, and the signature. Now the next thing is what all you can do with the learning license. Of course, you can drive. However, there are certain restrictions while driving with a learner's license. The first thing is you need to have an L plate, something like this, sticking in the front as well as in the back of your car. Other thing is you need to have a person sitting beside you every time you are driving with a learner license, and that person should have a permanent license with him, and this is very clearly mentioned here in the learner's license. Along with that, you should have all the other documents which are required, like the PUC, the valid registration certificate of the car, the all the other stuff like that, which are pretty usual to have in the car. Now next big question, when can one apply for permanent license? So once you get this learner's license, after 1 month you can apply for a permanent license. However, this application should happen within 6 months, because if you cross that 6 months period of getting this learner's license, then you'll have to reappear for the exam and get a new learner's license. So please apply after 1 month within a span of 6 months. Now how to apply? Let me show you.
So the process here is pretty much same. You go to this site sarthi.parivahan.gov.in. You select the state here. Same. Let's go to Delhi. Now, previously we went for this option, which is apply for learner's license. This time we'll go for apply for driving license. So it's pretty self-explanatory process, like where you will have to fill in the applicant details, upload documents, upload a digital photo and signature if required, and this is applicable for only some states. Then driving license test slot booking, payment of fee, verify the pay status and print the receipt. So if I continue here, it's asking for mobile number, so I'll give my mobile number. I'll click on generate OTP, and it says OTP sent to mobile number this. And I've got an OTP. And then I'll click on so once I'm in here, you'll have to give your learner's license number. So what you have already got, the same number you'll have to put it. It will be something like this. Okay, the example has been given. Okay, you have to put your date of birth, and you have to click on OK. And then, as I told, it's pretty simple process. Just keep following the instructions and you will get the slot and the place where you'll have to go for the driving test. You also have a payment receipt here.
Okay, so once you apply, you will get a slot to appear for an actual driving test. When I say actual driving test, it means that you have to drive a car in a track and show them. Now you should reach there on time with your Aadhaar card and your address proof detail along with your learner's license. Your learner's license is mandatory, because if you take it there before appearing for the test, they will take your learner's license. This is Xerox copy which I kept it just for the sake if I lose the original one. So they take it and then they will ask you the car number. So ensure that you have your own car, or at least if you're going via driving school, the driving school gives you a car, because the car's number is mandatory to be filled up in the form, and they'll give you some tags, and then they will tell you to go into a track. Now what the track look like, let me show you from the is in picture form. So if you see, there is 8 and H track. So you have to take your car, you have to drive it in that 8 track, and then you have to drive it in the H track. So if you see in H track, there are like 1, 2, 3 and 4. So take one, go to 1 first, then put a reverse gear, go to 2, then put a front gear, go to 3, then put a reverse again, go to 4, and then come out straight. So that's the track of it which you have to drive it. Once you drive it successfully, they'll give you a small paper, something like this, which shows written passed. So this is a proof that you need to carry it, so that until you get the permanent driving license. Now once you come out of there, they will send you the permanent driving license, something like this, which is having a chip, your name, your current address, the date of validity of this, along with the place where you have got this license, and this will be delivered to you in the mentioned address within 6 to 7 days via speed post. So this is the entire process of getting a learner's license as well as getting a permanent license. If you have any questions or queries, you can post it in the comment section below and I'll try to answer it as much as I can. Thank you very much for watching this video. If you like this video, please hit the like button. Please subscribe to the channel. Thank you very much, and you take very good care of yourself.